Hey YouTube, this is Saurav Vijeta. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create custom decals in Decal Machine. So Decal Machine is the plugin, it's a paid one. So I'm going to show you how to quickly make custom decals and then you can use it using the plugin. Alright, so first to get Decal Machine you need to visit Blender Market. So just check that out. Once you have downloaded the zip file, you can now install it. Go to Edit, Preferences, then we click Get Extensions here. You drop down over here and then Install from Disk. So when you hit Install from Disk, just guide the folder path to your Decal Machine zip file. That should install Decal Machine. You can now see it in the add-ons panel. Then over here, Decal Machine, if you drop this down, there you go. It says what's new, if there is an update available, all of this stuff. To keep it really simple, we'll create one new folder which belongs to us. So if you come down here, you see this create empty. Go ahead and create a folder using this plugin window, right? And now you can see that I have created one which says my decals. That's basically my custom decals. Once you have done that, save preferences. So once you have the plugin, press N to open the side panel. You should see Machine 3. This is Decal Machine. Once you open this pop-up panel, I believe you need to go into your Resource tab and then go into Examples. Once you reach Examples, you will see a button called Create Decals. Click on that. Now, once you hit Create Decal, it's going to open a new scene. This is Decal Machine scene, right? And you can see that these are all the decals made, and these are just example decals just put in place. Now, I know you guys can see a lot of things on that panel, and trust me, I'm still learning, and I actually got the Decal Machine plugin a while ago, so I'm not too familiar with this, but I'm going to show you what I use to create the decal, right? I'm just going to keep it very simple. And I create all my decals from images, right? So I design an image or a tattoo or any logo, whatever you want, in maybe Photoshop. You can use Canva as well. Once you have the image, just make sure it's a transparent image. So once that's done, then I believe I come here into Info panel. Yeah. So you see Create Decals, just switch to Info. From Info, what you're going to do is click on Image. Once you select images, it'll ask you if you want to load, open folder, or clear your images. This is if you already imported. So we are going to hit Load Images. Now, I just went to my desktop video files where I have two images. These are the same two images I used in my previous video. I showed you how I create my own decals manually without decal machines. These are the two references. The first one is literally the Blender logo, but it's PNG, right? So I'm just going to use that for today's example. Once you select your image, say Open Image. You should see that image in this thumbnail preview window over here. Now, once you bring your image, just click Create Info Decal, okay? Now, once the Create Info Decal is clicked, you see how it automatically creates the decal, and check this out. You can see it on the scene as well. We're not going to click any more buttons. We're not going to get overwhelmed by this. Now, after you finish clicking Create Info Decal, if you come down here, it says User Decal Library. So remember how I showed you we made that Create New folder, My Decals? So we need to tell Blender, hey, save this decal in there, right? So you come here, press this folder button here, and you can see that it has taken one of the folders. Just go back into Decal and you should see My Decal folder. There you go. Once you select the My Decal folder, I believe you can close this window. My bad, I lied. You can't close that window. Don't press this folder button here. It's very easy, guys. Check this out. You just click here. Overcomplication. So when you click on this, you literally see My Decals. Just select that from the drop down. If you have created that folder, it should be in this drop down. Once this is done, add decal to library. That's the button. And that's it. We literally added our own logo into Decal Machine, right? So once this is done, you can save the file, right? And now you can just close this and open your Blender file. So there you go. I just went to File, Create New, and here you have it. You have a new file. So let's test it. So press Z and go to Material Preview so that you can see the material there. And I'm going to just snap it to the top, zoom into this cube. Select the cube, press D, And there you go. Under my decals, if I click here, you saw that I had only 4 decals, but now we have a 5th one, and that is the colored Blender logo. And if I just come here and then click on it, there you have it. You got, it just applies the logo. Now you can just rotate it 180 degrees and booyah, baby. There are other decals which Decal Machine allows you to use, which is if you press 3 and use one of these, there you go. Literally 3D depth decal. And I know you guys would love to use this. Trust me, Decal Machine comes with a set of default ones. That should be good enough. If you guys want more, please don't go ahead and create any of this. Just search Decal Machine decal packs on Google. Just search that and you should get this website here. It says it's a decal resource for Decal Machine. Look at all the packs you get. Look at all of this, everything. It just keeps going, literally keeps going. There are video files on how to do everything. There are all of these, right? Please don't reinvent the wheel. Just go here and there are some free packs, but most of them might be paid. But even if they're paid, there might be like $2, $1. You know, some packs are really, really cheap, right? I would highly recommend to grab the free packs, and every pack has a note file which tells you how to install them. So please save time and get decal packs which are already pre-made. It'll save you a lot of time. And with that, there you go. This video concludes. So now you know how to make custom decals using the Decal Machine plugin. And I hope you guys enjoy using the Decal Machine. Go create some art. Saurav Vijeta signing out.